Yo, yo, holy. I just faced a big technical difficulties though. Holy shit. Can you hear me? Can you send me SS on. Oh, yeah, sure, send me. Screenshot, you mean? Alright, do it. That's good. Good, good, good. Okay, let's start soon. Is there a delay? Hopefully, there's no delay, by the way. I think I'm fine. There is no delay. Yeah, I'm checking it. Yes, in this case, it's an invalidation. That's an invalidation. Hello, Nelly. Welcome. I'm just gonna give it a few more minutes and then I'm gonna start. That's an invalidation, bro. It has to be the first candle that inverts the fair value gap, and the same candle that inverts the fair value gap, I need it to close above the range. I've explained that on the first video. If you watch the first video, you would see it. Let me see now. Um, okay, March. Start from March 2023. Yes, exactly. From 9:30 and after. So basically, what that's the 9:30, or is it? That's 9:30. Any inversion behind that, you just delete it. So basically, you delete every price action behind. What we care is after 9:30 session. You know what I mean? Yeah, sure. Oh well. Why's my camera off? Yeah. Good. All good. My OBS studio is trolling me. Yeah, I think now it's good. Good. Yeah, I think it's simple, bro. Just 9:30 after 9:30, just do not look for any inversion. We love the new formed IFVG. The new IFVGs are the best. Okay, I'm gonna start. Start. Right. That's Tuesday. Mark the high. Oops, here. Mark the high and the low. That's ES. I'm gonna put ES aside a little bit. Yeah, it is simple and it's effective. Excluding this shitty month, though. This month is something else. This month, it's a rough month for me, to be honest. Very bad month for me. Uh, I think it's a bad month for everyone. Like any strategy out there is not gonna work. Right, so that's 10, 10:01. Okay. Oh, we had the entry here, by the way. Did not notice. I think that'll get us stopped. There was an entry here. Oh no, please. Good. Good. Uh, that was our fair value gap here. That's my entry. Stop loss below this level. To RR. Take partials 25, 75. Auto break even 1. Do I have any SMTs at the entry? Yep. I do, yeah. Above midnight open and above the VWAP. Yeah, 100%. I love to see when we break above the range and then we're below everything. Like yesterday's setup that I lost, that setup was like I would put all of my life savings on that setup if I've seen it in a normal price action scenario. But unfortunately, May is a very choppy month and a very dirty, painful month, to be honest. Very sad. But it's just the market testing our discipline, you know. Not every month is a good month. This month is something else. Midnight open above. Okay, take a screenshot. That is a stop. Okay, stop loss. Next day. Welcome, bro, Luca. But you're the guy. Yeah, you're off today, so you're not at work, huh? You're the guy on the Discord, right? On the trade with me, Luca. Oh, you're right. You trade. Well, for you, I think you need to analyze the chart on mini and trade on CFD. So open the Nasdaq mini and analyze there. You know. Yo, bro, Luca, welcome, welcome. It's a rough month, man. Rough month for everyone, to be honest. Very terrible month. All right. So copy our back testing. We have a fair value gap here, up there. Yep, that's the entry. Why is my why is my I opened NQ again here. Oh, you need to subscribe. Yeah, 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 yeah. Mm, yeah, I actually forgot about that. Yep, yes, here. Do I have any SMT? No SMT. Above midnight, above VWAP. So that's a plus setup technically. 5. Auto break even 1. Boom. Screenshot. SMT no. VWAP above. Midnight open above. Alright, supposed to break even. Partials hit. That's a break even trade. We type break even. Oh my God. We had an we had. Oh, okay, okay. Then we just passed time. We're past that time. Friday done. Other day, Tuesday. Oh my God. There's Powell. So we're gonna see a bit. Yeah, yeah. I know we were below midnight open, but it doesn't matter because there was an SMT. The SMT was amazing. But look what happened, bro. It stops us out and then went all the way up. But it was barcoding, man. It's just uh the price is not normal. That's an abnormal behavior, to be honest. Very abnormal behavior. Previous day low, previous daily high here. Boom. Go back. Holy shit. Holy. Right now we need to open ES because we tapped into the previous daily low. Do we have an SMT? Well, we'd have a shorts, actually. Short here. Stop is here. No SMT below midnight open, below VWAP. Yep. Tourist reward. Take partials 25. 75. Auto break even 1. Boom. SMT no. VWAP below. Midnight open below. I don't trade Mondays. I hate Mondays, bro. They're the worst. Mondays are the worst, bro. That's stop loss. Well, look, we are too extended from the orb. That's where in the live I do not like to trade this. Well, I need other confirmation, but we're being very mechanical here, so that's a stop loss. Do you have your news? Nope, nothing. Uh, mid where's the midnight open here? Previous daily high. Mark the high and the low. Man, this Powell, he speaks a lot. For Valley Gap here. Yeah, I do not take this. See, like that's very sad. Well, I don't know. We'll see. The price inverted the fair value gap, but it did not close below the range. So that's an invalidation for me. I do not take that trade. Well, good thing we did not take it. See, it went all the way up. See how the orb confirms when the orb breaks below. This is another confirmation that it wants to go down, but it failed to break below. So therefore, we do not take this trade. Yeah, exactly. So it will such a risky entry. It will be a low probability setup, a low probability setup. But since you're back testing, you have to put your own rules. I just place a simple rules. Well, there's no trade today. I just place a very simple rules and I'm following them. I'm just trying to show the world that very simple strategy like this can be profitable. So a very simple strategy can be very profitable. You just need to follow rules. That's how the game works. Yeah, exactly. See, that's why we have variables. So we have variables, and then based on the variables, you can filter the win rate. Mm, I hate uh, this tool on Forex Replay has to be yeah previous daily high, previous daily low. Exactly. I just marked the previous daily high there. Got deleted here. Previous daily low has already been taken. So I have an entry here. Here. Stop loss. To risk to reward. Do I have any SMT? No SMT. Take partials. 75. Auto break even 1. Below, above midnight open, above. So SMT. SMT no. VWAP above. Midnight open above. 1 to 1. Oops. Okay, so that's a break even trade. In your yeah, I don't mark liquidity levels. I have my own standard deviation. I created my own standard deviation that I like to see on the chart and see how the price reacts with it. So I create my own standard deviation. That's where these levels I look for reversals. But I do mark previous day low and previous day high. That's a break-even trade. Break-even. What the hell? Oh, okay, that's old. Okay, that's a break-even. Okay, that's oh no, that's not the trade. Okay, that's the entry here. What time is it? 11:36. Yeah, we still have last swing. Yeah, well, the thing is, I'm trying to look for one here. The price is not giving us a chance to go for to go to these levels though. It's crazy. The price is always about like it barely goes to the previous day low or previous day high for the reversals. And actually, I'm not a big fan of reversals, by the way. Um, that's why I have strict rules when I go for reversals. I created my own standard deviation that I follow, and based on that, I look for reversals. But otherwise, I just like to trade with the trend. Yeah, we do have an SMT. SMT, yes. You up above. Midnight open up above. Just to make sure. Yeah. Yep. Oh, sorry. I did not put 1 to 1. Okay, nice. It's here. 1 to 1. Stop loss or break even. That's a stop. That's a break even. Break even day. So 2 break evens in a row. Okay. Day after. Mark the high. The low. This here. Boom. Yep, exactly. We need an SMT for a reversal. Otherwise, I do not enter any trade. It just SMT. It just gives you an extra confluence for you to go for the shorts. I've seen a lot of time the price inverts with no SMT and then stops you out. See, that's the beauty of the orb. Like now we are inside the range. It think like I was just protected this entire time here. You know, that's a chop. That is what we are facing currently in May. God damn it, man. Fair Valley Gap here. Yeah, there's nothing. No trade. That's a very slow month, March. Okay, high and the low. Here, do we have previous daily high? Yep. No, it's already been taken. Only previous daily low. Open, open, bro. I'm. Don't worry, bro. You won't miss anything. It's recorded. So here, price inverted the fair value gap, but I would not go for the longs because it did not break above the range. Now we are above the range. We need another fair value gap. Okay. Yep, the price inverted that fair value gap here. Stop loss is here. SMT, we do have an SMT, yeah. No, we don't. No, we don't. Take partials. 75. Auto break even 1. Boom. Right, stop loss a break even. TP hit. Nice. So that setup was somehow similar to yesterday, but we just need an SMT. But May is disgusting. May has been rough, man. Rough, rough. To be honest, if I don't have a good risk management, I'll be probably blowing my account. But thankfully, I'm alive. Above VWAP, above midnight open. Oops, I took 2 screenshots. My bad. Boom. So what are we now? 1, 2, 3. Well, these two are break even. 2 winners, 2 losers. Any questions, guys? Do you have any questions? Please let me know. All good? Okay. So Wednesday, do you have nothing here? High and the low. Previous daily high already been taken. There's a previous daily low here. So far, there's no reversals whatsoever because we don't need one. All right, bro. Lock in. Um, there's a big chance next week I won't be trading. Maybe I'll trade start from Thursday. I don't know. Uh, I'll see. I will see how the market opens on Tuesday. If it's quite convincing, yeah. If not, then until Thursday. Because Wednesday I do not trade. There is FOMC meeting minutes. Hopefully that will move the price back to normal because the price is not normal at all. I think there is FOMC here, right? No, there isn't. Right, no trade. Price was dropping inside the range. We go to the other day. Previous daily high. Here. Boom. Oops, sorry. High and low. We have fair value gap here. Yeah, it's Costa. Tastes disgusting though, I'm not gonna lie. I just ate steak today, and after like a big meal, I love to have coffee. It tastes bad, bro. It's so bad. Don't know why. My stop is very big here. Oh, Do you drink Costa? Do you like Costa? SMT. No SMT. Uh oh, that is a break even here. Stop loss to break even. Boom TP. Lovely. Wait, what? Again. Oh man, first replay has a bug. Need to replay to that date. That was really clean trade though. Give me more of this trade live. Where is it? Where is it? I've been chopped off the entire month, man. My God, it's crazy. 75 auto break even. There's no SMT. We're above midnight open and VWAP up above. VWAP above SMT. Nope. Oh wait, we're not. We are below midnight open. Okay, okay. My bad, my bad. I just noticed because I refreshed below. I went to London under 200. Really? I never, I never tried their. Well, I tried. They had a tiramisu. It was okay. I think tiramisu is always good. Tiramisu, like, just in general, like everywhere. Like you cannot do it bad. Like it's very straightforward. I only tried tiramisu. It was really good. But here in Saudi, there is only one branch of Costa that tastes really good. But like anything else is just decent, decent. But there's one next to my house. Oh my god, it tastes so good. Costa tastes so good. But this one was really far away from my house. I think the workers were too moody today. And I got the biggest one here. But it's not kicking in, bro. It's not. It's not. Alush, Habibi, bro. How are you? Welcome, welcome. Oh my god, you came and you shined the chat now. How are you, bro? We're just back testing, trying to get some W's because we're not getting any in live. Oh my god. Terrible man. Terrible May. How are you, Alush? Good? How's your weekend? Oh my god, come on. Okay, that's the entry here. I'm resigning, bro, whenever I I compound enough profits from trading that covers me for 1 year, then yeah, I'll be thinking to resign. But now I just want to because I love my job. It's fun. It's actually very fun. Like it doesn't bother me. I love my job. Love everyone there. It's very nice. And I don't want to quit yet though. Don't want to quit yet. It's crazy. Wow, that's crazy. Watch that. Like it stopped me out. It barely hits 1 hour. Wow, it's so sad. Really sad. We're below midnight open. Below VWAP. SMT no. VWAP below. Midnight open. Below. Back to Suji. والله Suji, bro. Big time. That PA is disgusting. Because there's NFP, right? Oh no, there isn't. I don't know why. It just happens. But this month is just something else. Uh, once May ends, I'm gonna be sharing my entire journal. I promise everyone to be completely transparent, and I'll show my journal. I faced a very terrible lose streak, by the way. I've never faced that in live. I mean, backtesting on live. It's because the market is abnormal. I was even talking to ChatGPT. I'm like, why is the price so abnormal. Like, why? And then ChatGPT was like, the price is too extended, and the Fed, which was 3 weeks ago, there was Fed rest interest. I don't know, an FOMC meeting, kind of messed up the market. The news wasn't really good, so that is why. Makes sense actually. So we are in a ranging market now. Hopefully in June it will go back to normal, or next week. Next week. But whoever have a good risk management, they should be alive. I have a very strict risk management, so that's what's keeping me alive in the market. Okay, let's entry here. Yeah, that's a big SMT by the way. Like equal highs, lower low. Take profit. 75 auto break even 1. Save and journal. We are above midnight open and below VWAP. Above midnight open, above VWAP below. SMT yes. Screenshot. Oh, that should be here. Wow. That's a crazy trade. Come on, close it. Redo it again. Okay. Take partial 75 here to break even. We are above midnight open. The Holy Grail. Yes, bro. Tell them, bro. Tell them. It is the Holy Grail. Excluding this month. It is the Holy Grail. It's Ali, it's a very that's the most simple strategy out there. Like I swear to God. It's very simple. Like it cannot be simpler than this. I'm always trading with the trend. So far we're ending March, there is zero reversals. Save. Look at this. That's purely mechanical. Just look at this. Isn't it beautiful? Look at February. January was rough, but yet we ended 3%, which is great. That's that's the power of trading one trade a day. Mm, Go. Next day. Well, here we have FOMC. Look, Fed interest rate decision, FOMC. So we skipped that day. Let me tell you why. Let me see. Look at this. That is why. See this? I do not trade this. Every time there is FOMC, this chop. It's disgusting. Look at ES. Look at ES. It's crazy. That is one of the reasons I don't trade FOMC. And well, Mondays are just disgusting. So previous daily high here, previous daily low. Is that a gap? Oh my god, you see that gap? That is our entry there. Go back. Uh, Come on. I'm waiting. Load layout. So when this thing bugs, you need to save your layout, which I did here. Saved. Yep. here. Oh, stop loss here. Why is NQ open though? Yes, here. So that bug, I have NQ here and NQ there. So here, ES. Yeah, that's ES. There's SMT, no SMT. Stop loss to break even here. Partials. Do I have SMT? No. We are above midnight open. Let's zoom out. Above VWAP. Okay. VWAP above. Midnight open above. Okay. That's a stop loss. Boom. Stop. Save. We go to the other day. Alright. That's Thursday. Go to the day. Previous daily high here. We have previous daily low here. I forgot to draw the orb. I contacted Forex Replay. I told them to create a indicator orb, but they didn't. Apparently they didn't, because I'm too lazy to draw every time. Holy range. Oh, we did have an entry here, no? Yeah, that's an entry. No, please don't do that to me. Yeah, good. Chop. Close below. That's ES, yeah, ES. No SMT. Or so we are above midnight open, right? No, below midnight open. Above, below midnight open, below VWAP. That's good. SMT no. VWAP below. Midnight open below. That's 1-to-1. That's stop loss. Okay. Screenshot. Go to the next week. Oh my god, look at this. Chop. See? So when we have so like let me just explain one thing here. The first hour, if you do not get a setup, listen to me carefully. In the first hour, you do not get a setup and you see this shit, this chop, just do not trade that day. Just avoid. That's what I usually do. But in May, after we get our setup and we enter, it chops. It's a trap. But when you see a chop like this, you just avoid entering, avoid trading. That's what I would do. Okay. Mark the high, low. We have previous daily high here. Previous daily low already been taken. Good. Okay. No gap created. We have gap here. Alright, we have a gap here, but we are above the range. Do not trade. Okay, no trade Tuesday. Go Wednesday. Previous day low. I don't think the price is gonna go here. It's pointless to mark it out. We have here. Okay. This gap. Ah, sad. Okay. This gap. Wait, did we invert before though? Yeah, we did. My bad. My bad. So our entry would be earlier than here. That's the entry. Here. We inverted here. Stop loss is there. What's ES telling me? Yep, there's an SMT. Okay. We are above midnight open and above VWAP. Interesting. Okay, that'll be an interesting one. We are above VWAP, above midnight open, and we're trading with the orb though. I think the overall trend is bullish. Yeah, that's why. But let's see what the orb tells us. We have an SMT there. VWAP above, midnight open above. We have SMT. Yes, screenshot. 1 to 1 here. All right. Are you kidding me, bruv? Like, look at this. That's so sad. I would 100% close here in the live. Like, we're like, how many ticks? 1 point. 1 point from hitting our TP, but it's our break even. Sad, very sad. Break even. Do another trade. What time is it? Oh, still there's time. We do have this fair value gap here. That's the gap here. Boom. Another entry. Your stop is there. Do we have an SMT? Yeah, we do. We do have an SMT. Here, equal highs, lower low, 1 to 2. To break even 1. View up above, midnight open above. SMT, yes. See. Yeah. Oh, it did hit my. No, that's a break even trade though. It did hit my 1 to 1, but I forgot to move it. I did not add it. Oh god, my bad. So 2. Added SMT. SMT, yes. View up above. No. Yeah, view up above. Above. Open above. Boom. Are you kidding me? Okay. That is a bug again, so I'm gonna take the partials manually. Take partials manually. What happened? Let me see. Yeah, okay, good. Let me update. So that's a bug you need to guys figure it out. It's just sad. That sometimes FX replay just has some weird bugs. Like I'm lazy to go back and replay the data again. Let's go further. That's a 2 break-even days. Okay. Any questions so far, boys? Any questions? Night open. Right. Oh, what happened? Well, no entry. Okay. Okay, that's the entry. Oh, we did not invert yet. Nope. We did not invert. Yep, we did invert this though. Here. And we do have a really nice SMT. That is the SMT here. Okay. Tourist reward. Break even one. Let me see. We are above midnight open, above VWAP, SMT. That's like A plus setup. A plus plus setup, to be honest. Above midnight open, above. I hope now the 1-to-1 doesn't bug me, to be honest. Not bug me, please. Oh, finally it works. Yep, told you boys. That's the A plus plus setup. That's the setup where you put all of your life savings on. I'm just kidding. Just yeah, that's a clean setup. SMT above midnight open, above VWAP. Oh my god, the trade did not close. Yeah, today is very buggy though. Today is very buggy. I'm gonna move stop loss to break even manually. Okay. Okay, good. SMT yes. View up above. Midnight open above. Lovely. Go to Friday. That's the last day of the month and the last trade for the session. I promise I'll like on every live session I'll be trading one like a complete 1 month. Complete 1 month. Okay, that's a gap here. Okay, that's the entry. This is one of the entries that I actually like. Let me see if I have SMT. Wait, what? No SMT, no clear SMT to be honest. Nope, no SMT. Where are we? Above. Yeah, I don't mind. It doesn't affect me. I've backtested NFPs. There's one important point actually, good thing you mentioned. On NFPs, my win rate is 50% on NFPs, so that means 50-50. So I should have mentioned that honestly on the PDF. So on NFP, I de-risk. I just lower down my risks because it works for me. Like some days are really good. Some days like it's just 50% for me win rate. But if you want to go for 1-to-1, then very high win rate. So you can do 1-to-1. It depends on your taste though. I don't like to mention risk management. Like the only risk management I mention is one trade per day. But for NFP works well to be honest. It has 50% win rate, so that means it's just a flipping coin. But if you go 1-to-1, very high win rate. Lovely, lovely. Let's look at this. Did we have an NFP that day? No, no news. No news, no news. And we ended the month green. Nice. Look at this. That is purely mechanical, boys. Like I'm just trading in front of you, live. No cheating. No nothing. I have simple rules. I wrote them down for you, and that's the result. Um, tell me that's not a holy grail. I dare you. That's crazy. So I guess we finished that month. Yeah, we finished that month. Let's go to the view analytics. Okay, now we are in April. So tomorrow I'll be back testing April. April, boys, it's tough. It's really bad. So you will see how bad April is. Well, not like break evenish that type shit. Oh, bro. Yep, yep. I told you. I really wish as well, but like the price cannot be choppy for long, right? It has to go back to normal because that's not normal, right? So don't worry. If you're having a really good risk management, you should be fine. You should be fine. I faced a massive loss streak, by the way. Once this month ends, I will share. So we have max consecutive wins, 5 trades. Max consecutive losses, 2. How much do you end the month? We ended the month 3.36%. So we are consistent every month. And what are we doing? We are trading 100% mechanical, zero discretion, zero, absolutely zero. And look at this beauty. So what do? I copy trade. I copy trade on each account. So imagine you're using TopStep. You have five what's it called? Uh, 5 accounts copy trading, right? So let's see. Here you made this month 1,680 times 5. That is $8,400. Yeah, like well, let's say you have 100k, right? 100k times 0.36. No, that makes no sense. Yep, times 100k. So that month, well, I why am I? It's obvious. That's 3,600, 3,180, 3,250. That's on 100k. So, but I actually believe 100k and 150k are a scam. They're a scam. 50k is more than enough if you are copy trading. It's easier to pass, very easy. 50k's copy trade, lovely, beautiful, man. Look at this. Well, I'm risking $250 per trade, so 250 times. So I need to lose 8 trades in a row to blow the account, which is impossible, 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 impossible. Uh, so that's pretty much it. Very lovely, very lovely. If you risk 1%, yeah, 1%. Oh my God, you'll if you're risking 1%, you'll make a lot of damn like 50k. Yeah, like if you're risking, probably there'll be double. There'll be like 6% or something if you're risking 1% because you trade CFD. CFD they have different rules on prop firms, which is basically that number times two. It'd be crazy because we're risking here 0.5, I guess, percent, 5% maybe, right? Uh, yeah. So times two, times two. Mechanical, bro. Mechanical trading. Have one trading strategy and then build upon that strategy. Build your discretion because there's a lot of losses that could have I've seen a lot of losses I actually would avoid here 100%, 100%. Yep, yep. I'm not a scammer. I'm just showing you, boys. The thing is, people don't value one trade a day. Like we are 45% trade, 45 trades, 65% win rate. That's not enough to judge, but that's good. Look at the equity curve. That's beautiful. It's going up. Um, if you trade more than one, you'll have less win rate, less percentage gain every month. Uh, Any questions, boys? Any questions? That'll be it for today. I'll be trading. I'll be backtesting tomorrow, same time. Every Saturday, Sunday, I'll be backtesting until I finish this entire year and show you the results. But so far, tell me you cannot be profitable now. 100% profitable. 100%. 100% profitable. Thank you, bro. Thank you. I'm really sorry you joined at the wrong time, though. It's kind of unlucky. Kind of unlucky, to be honest. Like the moment I open the Discord, I get choppy price action. But it just if you're disciplined enough, one trade a day, risking properly, you should be fine. Because price will have to go back to normal, and the win streak and the clean trades will come eventually. I'm just thinking about next week though. Will I trade or no? I'm still thinking next week because May is disgusting. Oh, I actually did not filter. I think I think I don't want to filter now. I want to filter end of the year because I can't like now. It's just very few trades. Let's end the year and then I'll filter. I'll have one entire session for filtering, probably like half an hour or something. Because that's not enough to be honest. We need more trades. Okay, boys, that'll be it for today. I'll see you guys tomorrow. If you have any questions before I leave, and I finished my coffee. Perfect timing. No questions, boys? Chart rate. What the hell does that mean? Chart rate. Have no clue what does that mean. Chart. Oh, okay. Got it. Cheers, man. All right, boys. Take care. Enjoy your day. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace. No problem, bro. Anytime. Take care, boys. Bye bye.